Hello and welcome to SignNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
How much time does your team spend on closing deals when customers have to print out a document, sign it, and then mail or even fax it back to the sender, or possibly even meet a sales representative in person to physically sign it? They often second-guess their decision to purchase with you. By automating sales cycles, you boost team productivity, close deals faster, and engage with your customers sooner. Accelerating your sales cycles allows you to keep your business moving forward by automating even the most complex sales processes. Let's take a look at how SignNow does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not paperwork. If you'd like to share a document via a short link without having to add signer email addresses, use SignNow to generate a unique URL and share it with your recipients. Every user that has the link can access a document and sign their own copy. Signing links allow you to collect data and signatures by quickly sharing documents and forms on the web, in chats and messengers, or via email. Signers can access and complete your documents as long as the corresponding signing links are active. Start by uploading your document to SignNow. Alternatively, you can use any document or template already stored in your account. Add signer roles and fillable fields using the toolbar on the left. Click Save and Close to save your changes and then return to the dashboard. Keep in mind that if you add one role, signers will be instantly redirected to complete the document in the SignNow editor. If you add more than one role, the person who follows the link will be authorized to define signer roles and send signature invites to the corresponding recipients. To generate a new signing link, click Create Invite Link next to the document or template you intend to share. The link will appear in the pop-up window. Copy it and share it via any available communication channel. Use the checkboxes below the signing link to set the parameters for your signature invite. The person who follows your link will open your document in a browser tab where they can sign it online in seconds. Let's see what else you can do with SignNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in SignNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing a document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with SignNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Want to try SignNow for free? Just click the link in the description and start working on your documents right now.